is CS Ratna. Today I am explaining about Python, how Python using machine learning. First of all, Python. What is Python? Python is a high-level programming language. It is used for simplicity and readability. It is used in machine learning for train models and easy to deploy. And ML. What is ML? ML is a algorithm in AI to predict the models, and there are three models, three types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. And now how Python is used in machine learning. First of all, data handling. Now data handling. Data handling is for harness for reading and cleaning and reprocessing. And exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis for visualization and and in visualization we use matplotlib and cbar. Matplotlib is used for graphs and building models. To build the models using Python we use scikit-learn to train the models and deploy the models. And model valuation metrics like accuracy and MS. And deep learning. And we use deep learning TensorFlow for neural networks. Suppose if we use face optimization to add images by using TensorFlow and Python. First, how to deploy the machine learning model. First, we have to gather the data. First, we have to gather the data, analyze the data, and visualize the data. And now, clean the data, pre-process the data, and separate the data from separate data to identify easily, and visualize the data by using matplotlib and cbar, and to train the data and to deploy the model by using scikit-learn. And model values. To deploy the model and to train the model. Deep learning used to add images and train the